Okay, I'm playing.
You open this. Come on, open it, Sizzy.
He charges it upstairs. Yeah, he charges it in the bathroom. Do I really need to get him a plate?
Give me.
I'm opening your Play-Doh, Malachi. Patience.
No patience.
Yes, patience.
No, I do that.
If you don't give me patience, I'm taking away your Play-Doh. Malachi, I need to get you a plate because I can already see the Play-Doh crumbs everywhere.
Malachi, wait.
Wait to play.
Don't play with it yet.
I'm gonna give him a bigger plate. Here you go. Oh, and that's yours too. There. Here you go.
Why are you playing with my slime?
Because it's better than mine. Yours is more stretchy. Yeah, but this is more stretchy.
Malachi, guess what?
What?
Chicken butt.
No, chicken butts.
This slime stuff is getting more sticky. Oh my gosh, remember our slime YouTuber phase? Oh.
Yeah, all Toy Talk videos are deleted.
All of them?
Yeah, it's got 35 videos.
They're all deleted?
Yeah, because they had too much.
How sad.
Do they still post?
No, they don't post it.
That's so sad.
I don't really like the Toy Talk one.
I love Toy Talk Talk.
Lady Ryle slime.
Maybe. Sticky.
It just had
I know it marks
videos
when it does
every
that.
day.
Really?
We're gonna take these out if we put them. Yeah, I'm playing this a different one. Your slime is just don't mix colors, Malachi.
He
Oh.
can. He wants if he wants to.
Don't mix all the Play-Doh into one giant thing.